I guess today I wanted to do a quick review and unboxing on my new EcoGenix sunshade. It's more of like an umbrella sunshade than your typical sunshade. So I have one in my vehicle right now that it's so flimsy, and it just like you put it up and no matter what I put to hold up, it just keeps falling. So I knew I was in need of one. And this is one that I really like. So I'm gonna show it to you right here. It comes in this really cool sleeve, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. You can literally fit this wherever. I actually have a 2-seater car that it fits in. I have a Mustang, and then I also have a 4-seater, which isn't even that big. It's like a Chevy Cruze. But let me show you what it looks like. Literally works just like an umbrella. So I'll unhook it here, and then I'll show you. Go to the car so you can kind of see it in action. And then we'll literally open this up. Bam, let me zoom this out a little. But this material right here will literally keep the sun out and keep your car as cool as possibly can be, because some of those other ones will not do that. This material is really nice, and let me kind of show you the back. And again, I'll show you here in the car in a little bit, but as you can see, it looks just like a typical umbrella, but like I said, it's designed for the car. And then it has this little slot right here for your rear view mirror. And then so once you're done using it, just like you had it before, piece this back up, and then you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and put it in the car and see what it looks like in there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open. All right, and then this piece right here is adjustable, so you can literally anchor that wherever you want. And other than that, it's literally good to go. It's gonna hold in place, so if you want it to hold a little bit stronger, I can move this up. That's actually a good spot for me. It's gonna reflect everything off of there, so if you're looking for a good sunshade, I highly recommend this umbrella style one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.